Hey everybody, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you the best pad thai recipe you will ever have. Let's get started. Before we make the pad thai, we need to get our rice noodles soaking. These are noodles made from rice. The ingredients in these noodles are rice flour and water. These noodles are really long, so I like to break them in half, making them easier to eat. Place them into a pan and cover with water for at least 30 minutes. This will soften the noodles, and then you'll soften them more in the cooking process. The first time I cooked with rice noodles, I didn't know how long I was supposed to soak them for. I let them soak for only about 10 minutes. Let's just say they weren't very soft when we ate them. For the sauce, in a bowl add fish sauce, tamarind paste, lime juice, rice vinegar, sugar, and some peanut butter. Mix that all together and set aside. For safety, place a wet paper towel under your cutting board. This will help keep it from moving around while cutting. Peel and mince some garlic. If you put the cloves in the microwave for 7 to 10 seconds, it makes it a lot easier to remove the skin from the garlic. Make sure you hold your knife by gripping the blade with your finger and thumb. This will give you more control while cutting. Place the garlic in a bowl and set aside. Dice up some tofu and set aside. Using chicken thighs, slice them up thin and set aside. The next ingredient you'll need is some shredded sweetened radish. I keep this big bag in my freezer to keep it from going bad. Slice up some green onions. I like them sliced small, but you can cut them into about 2 inches long if you'd like. Chop up some dry-roasted unsalted peanuts. Set aside a cup or about a handful of bean sprouts. I think the bean sprouts add so much flavor to this dish. Slice a lime into wedges. These will be used for garnishing at the end. Chop up a bunch of cilantro. This will also be used for garnishing. Grate a carrot. And you guessed it, it will be used for garnishing. After the noodles have soaked and are soft, drain the water. In a large pan, heat some oil over high heat for about a minute. Add the garlic and stir for about 5 seconds. Add the sweetened radish, tofu, and stir fry until you can start to smell it cooking. About 1 minute. Push the ingredients to one side of the pan and add the eggs. Place the chicken over the eggs, and as the eggs cook, fold the chicken and eggs over for about 30 seconds. Now stir together all of the ingredients in the pan and cook for another 30 seconds. Add the drained noodles and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until they are soft. Add the sauce mixture and paprika and mix that all together until the paprika colors the noodles and the liquid is absorbed, about 2 minutes. In the comments below, tell me what is your favorite type of Thai food to eat. Then add those green onions, bean sprouts, and some of the chopped peanuts. Garnish with more peanuts, carrots, cilantro, and a squeeze of fresh lime. This pad thai recipe is sure to please your taste buds and your family. I will leave this recipe in the description below. Thanks for subscribing, and don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notified the next time I upload a video, so together we can strengthen our families through food. We will see you in the next video.